Namaste bachcho. So kids, we were discussing about Sambandh Bodhak, that means prepositions. So what do you understand by preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relation of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence, like in, on, near, behind, under and so on. Now today we will continue from page number 18, and here we are going to learn about the prepositions, that is ke niche. Ke niche means under. Ke samne means in front of. Ke pehle means before. Ke upar means on. Ke bahar means outside. Ke andar means inside. So these are the prepositions both in Hindi language and English language. So let's see few sentences. The first one is, दो लड़के उस पेड़ के नीचे खेल रहे हैं. That means दो लड़के means two boys, पेड़ means tree, के नीचे means under. So under is the preposition. खेल means playing. Once again, दो लड़के उस पेड़ के नीचे खेल रहे हैं. So here the preposition is ke niche. English sentence is, two boys are playing under that tree. So under is the preposition word in English sentence. Next one, विश्वविद्यालय के सामने समुद्र है. Once again, विश्वविद्यालय के सामने समुद्र है. The English sentence is, there is a sea in front of the university. Vishwavidyalaya means university. Ke samne means in front of. Samudra means sea. So here the preposition is ke samne, and in English sentence the preposition is in front of. Now let's see the next one. Kolkata mail 8 बजे के पहले आती है. Here Kolkata mail is the name of a train. 8 बजे means 8 o'clock. के पहले means before. आती है means comes. Once again, Kolkata mail 8 बजे के पहले आती है. The English sentence is, the Kolkata mail arrives before 8 o'clock. So here Sambandh Bodhak is ke pehle, and in English sentence the preposition is before. Now let's see the next one. घर के ऊपर कौन है? So here घर means house, के ऊपर means on, कौन means who, है means is. Once again, घर के ऊपर कौन है? Who is on the house? So here के ऊपर is the Sambandh Bodhak, and in English the preposition is on. Once again, घर के ऊपर कौन है? The English sentence is, who is on the house. Next one, घर के ऊपर कबूतर है. So here कबूतर means pigeon. Once again, घर के ऊपर कबूतर है. So here के ऊपर is the Sambandh Bodhak in this Hindi sentence, and the English sentence says, a pigeon is on the house. So here on is the preposition in English sentence. Next, पाठशाला के बाहर बहुत बच्चे हैं. So here पाठशाला means school, के बाहर means outside, बहुत means many, बच्चे means student. Once again, पाठशाला के बाहर बहुत बच्चे हैं. Here बच्चे means students. English sentence is, there are many students outside the school. So the preposition is ke bahar, and in English sentence the preposition is outside. Let's see the next sentence. कमरे के अंदर लक्ष्मी है. Once again, कमरे के अंदर लक्ष्मी है. So Lakshmi is a girl. Kamra means room, ke andar means inside. Once again, कमरे के अंदर लक्ष्मी है. So here the संबंध बोधक is के अंदर, which means inside. Now let's see the English sentence. Lakshmi is inside the room. So inside is the preposition. So these are the prepositions. In Hindi we say sambandh bodhak. Now here in page number 19 you can see a small abhyas, that means exercise. The first question is khali sthan bharo, and the sentences are, first one, ghar dash kaun hai. So the correct meaning is who is on the house. So you have to fill the given space with the correct preposition. Second one, kamre dash Lakshmi hai. That means Lakshmi is inside the room. So you have to write the correct sambandh bodhak. Third one, पाठशाला dash बहुत बच्चे है. The meaning is there are many students outside the school. Fourth one, आप कल सवेरे मेरे dash आइए. The meaning is you please come to my place tomorrow morning. Fifth one, वे नमक dash खाते हैं. The meaning is they eat without salt. So here without is the preposition and you have to write the correct sambandh bodhak in the Hindi sentence. Sixth one, Kolkata mail 8 बजे dash आती है. So the meaning is the Kolkata mail arrives before 8 o'clock. Seventh one, विश्वविद्यालय dash समुद्र है. The meaning is there is a sea in front of the university. Eighth one, दो लड़के उस पेड़ dash खेल रहे हैं. So the meaning is two boys are playing under that tree. Ninth one, गोकुल dash एक अच्छी कलम है. The meaning is Gokul has a good pen. 10th one, इस आदमी dash तुम क्या जानते हो. The meaning is what do you know about this man. So here about is the preposition. 11th one, मैं रवि dash रहता हूँ. The meaning is I live with Ravi. So here with is the preposition. 12th one, मोहन हमेशा 9 बजे dash सोता है. The meaning is Mohan always sleep after 9 o'clock. So in English sentence after is the preposition and you have to write the correct preposition, that is the sambandh bodhak in Hindi sentence. So let's see the answers. So the first one, घर dash कौन है. घर के ऊपर कौन है. Second one, कमरे dash लक्ष्मी है. कमरे के अंदर लक्ष्मी है. Third one, पाठशाला dash बहुत बच्चे हैं. पाठशाला के बाहर बहुत बच्चे हैं. आप कल सवेरे मेरे dash आइए. The answer is यहाँ आइए. Next one, वे नमक dash खाते हैं. वे नमक के बिना खाते हैं. कोलकाता मेल 8 बजे dash आती है. That is कोलकाता मेल 8 बजे के पहले आती है. विश्वविद्यालय समुद्र के सामने है. 2 लड़के उस पेड़ के नीचे खेल रहे हैं. 9th one, गोकुल के पास एक अच्छी कलम है. 10th, इस आदमी के बारे में तुम क्या जानते हो. 11th, मैं रवि के साथ रहता हूँ. 12th, मोहन हमेशा 9 बजे के बाद सोता है. So we have completed the exercise part. Now you can see you have 2 activities. The first one is read the sentences, record and submit. Also you need to write the sentences in your notebook. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.